everyone. You're watching Channel 26. This is Valley Homes on TV, the Milpitas edition. I'm Debbie Indahart-Giordano along with Todd Flesner. Changes, okay.
Yeah, I was at the City Council meeting in San Jose 2 months ago, and it was quite heated.
Okay.
It was definitely a lot of drama.
Wow. So, what are then some of the benefits? Let me, in terms of benefits, I would assume one of the challenges, I'll go back, is I sell residential real estate, so it's more liquid. You can, it seems like it's something you can buy and sell more readily, where a larger apartment building, maybe there's a lifespan. You want to hold it so many years, 5, 10, 20 years. I don't think it's going to be readily flippable, turnable. Am I not correct? There's more of a long-term holding?
It's really dependent on the interest rates and the bank's ability to, how liberal the bank is on lending. However, that's been skewed lately with the influx of foreign investors. Foreign investments has really shot up these properties.
Okay.
So
you're seeing more of a change in that perspective, of the holding.
Correct.
Well, that's good for you.
It's good.
More deals. You sound like you know what you're doing. So.
Thank you.
When you talk about foreign investors and the impact, I mean, how do you look at appreciation in the future when you're looking at considering an investment in a commercial building like this?
I don't quite follow your question.
Yeah, we look at residential real estate. We look at appreciation. On this show, we look at the values here in residential real estate on an ongoing basis, and we're seeing it's not uncommon $100,000 year over year increase in values. Are you seeing those sort of increases in commercial properties as well?
Yes, we are definitely seeing that in the fourplex region. For example, I had the opportunity of doing 2 sales on the same building. Within 12 to 14 month different time span. Okay. Initially, I sold it for $1 million, and then maybe call it 14 months later, I sold it for $1,250,000. Okay. And the difference in income was negligible, from $66,000 to nearly $77,000. So $10,000 difference. And sure enough, it was an all-cash investor that came in.
Okay. So we're seeing that then as well.
We're seeing that. We closed escrow in January on this particular example. But I do notice that the offers are not as liberal as they used to be. I see now more contingencies and greater periods where the properties are staying on the market.
Okay.
It might be indicative of what's going on in the world, but for now, it's still a very strong market.
Okay, let me ask Kim, direct this at you. You're a licensed realtor, and Raul's the broker.
Yes.
So in dealing with your investment properties, do you have any special licenses that you need, or any other special, certificates?
Raul's a broker and I'm an agent, and we don't really need a specialized license or certification to specialize in apartment or multifamily unit.
Okay.
There are some other certification that may help, but it's not really required by the Bureau of Real Estate.
Okay. All right.
Yes, it's a certified commercial investment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got
So
it.
there are certifications you can go after, additional education and training you can get in that area along with your experience. However, as a requirement for entry, it's not.
Sure. As a landlord or owner of a property, I do highly strongly encourage the viewers to look into the Apartment Owners Association in the Alameda in downtown San Jose.
Information.
A lot of good information.
Yes.
Okay,
Good. Well, good. Well, maybe as we close here, share with us a little bit about the future. You're just you've done some reformation. You have a new office downtown
Correct.
San Jose. What's the future hold for you guys?
There's a lot of promise. There's a lot of promise. We moved my office is from Campbell to downtown San Jose, dead center and the focal point of South First Street and Santa Clara, over at the old Bank of Italy. I moved there for the particular reason of the fact that there's many projects of approximately about 14 that will be completed by 2017. It's going to be the hub of activity, and I do see a lot of promise in terms of future growth and income and value, increase in value. We have BART going through there, starting from Milpitas, Berryessa, Alum Rock, and Diridon. And of course, that's the place where to invest the money. Take a look around downtown San Jose. You'll count 5 cranes, construction cranes, and there's a flurry of activity. So I want to be in the center of there and put my finger on the pulse.
And how about you, Kim? You're also an investor yourself.
Yes, I am.
So what are your
And,
goals and perspectives?
In supporting the growth in the business of multifamily, we have a lot of tools that we will be make it available for investors to go and do some calculations about the deals, the transactions, look at the futures of their investments and so forth. With the background in engineering, I just love the numbers.
You're going to be doing more investing yourself?
More
or
investing in myself and helping our clients and looking investments. Like when I look at the properties, so investing, like I ask myself, like, would I do that investment?
Right.
Would I do that for my clients?
Good. Sounds good.
Well,
Should we put, if you folks want to give your email address, website, phone numbers, any contact information, if viewers are interested in talking
you.
about investment real estate?
Yes, the email, shall I let you do, Kim?
Right. So for Raul is Raul at theappexperts.com. For me is Kim, theappexpert.com. And his company we're operating is realestateinvestmentexperts.com, reinvestmentexperts.com.
Okay.
terrific.
Let me just elaborate on the email addresses. I get this often. It's Raul and Kim at, and it's the apartment, abbreviated APT, experts with an S.com. And the number is very simple, 408-800-4100.
Great.
Terrific. Great.
Thank you very much.
Well, we appreciate you coming in today, sharing your expertise with us and with
Thank
our
you, Todd.
viewers, and
Thank you,
yeah,
Todd.
and
And
your
Debbie.
It's
enthusiasm
a
for
fascinating topic, one that
Yes.
folks have to know what they're doing, and they need to have
Extremely
somebody
careful.
that's a professional in that industry.
investment. Great.
Thank you
Thanks
for the
for-
opportunity.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.